Alright guys, so last questionnaire I didn't like because it told me I will die at the age of 68. I don't understand why I did that. Oh, this will be really confusing if you didn't see that video, so go watch it now. Okay. So this says Wheel of Fortune, and, my SD2IC is flashing red. So that's probably not a good sign. Let's say yes. Redo from start. Okay, I actually managed to get this version working just fine. Need to get the camera in focus though. I just needed to get the fast load cartridge out of the computer and reboot. Okay, let's say one players. Players, one's name. Dead Dino. Players F gender, F. Computer player skill level, novice, intermediate. I'll say I'm a novice, I don't know anything. Please choose which set of files to use. Standard, pop culture. Let's just go with like standard. Alright. I have no idea how to play this. Let's spin the wheel, I guess. $700. Okay, let's say A. I'm pressing it. Incorrect or what? God damn, this is fucking hardcore. Oh, sorry, no letter. Okay. Spin the wheel. Okay. Alright, let's spin the wheel again. Choose letter, O. But what? I chose. Oh, cause somebody else used it. God damn, this fucking shit is complicated. It's really not very useful either. Also, I'm not getting any sound for whatever reason. That probably isn't helping. Okay. Oh no, it's not my turn yet. Don't know why I'm not getting any sound. Let's spin the wheel again. C. Oh, X. Fuck. No, I meant C. That happens. Alright. I think I got the hang of this now. It's just that for some reason... Aw, I should have chosen C. This is hardcore. What kind of word is that? Not even seen, not even saying words that long. Well, if it's not a word, even it's like a phrase. Okay, let's pick letter D. Sorry, no letter. Oh. This fucking sucks, honestly. No, any sound effects either. Alright, let's spin it. Let's choose like J. Aw. Wonder if there's a way to like restart or something, because I didn't even understand how to play, and I'd like to get the sound working. Let's choose like, I don't know, Q? Or, oh fuck. This is hardcore. The Dark Souls of Wheel of Fortune games for 8-bit computers. I'm gonna actually, like, let this game play out while I'm fixing the sound. I think I know what the problem is. It's not the Commodore. Okay. What's our last letter? Q, I guess. Hey, I'm pressing it. Okay, U for some reason did not work. Well, at least that was Y. E. Yee. The famous movie star. Yee. Ellie? Maybe? Ellie Fanning? No. I'm gonna try L, though. Oh, lose turn. Just when I had, like, a decent thought. But, by the way, L isn't on here. I think somebody already picked it. H. I have no idea. I don't even know a name that goes, like, E to E, but without L. Ernie? That doesn't fit. Eric? Eric K? Pee Pee Poo Poo? Famous star. Rudolph. No, and that isn't the star. Eddie Murphy! Oh my god! I'm a fucking queen right now. Oh my god. Yeah, fuck you. I'm gonna, how to solve. C. Okay. Ed, D, space, Mer, P, H. Oh my god, this like this. A. Oh, I get only $200 for like getting the best win out of this. Oh my, movie title. What the fuck is that? What movie title is like 6 words long? Zack Snyder's The Justice League? A Star Wars story. Yeah, I have no idea. I'm trying to think of like long movie titles, but ones with 3 words at the beginning. Well, it's that much I could guess. The something something ST. The pee pee poo poo. I'm trying to think now. A. Dude's like fucking loaded. He's selecting all the vowels. The gay. The gay adventures. I don't know. That's not a homophobic joke, by the way. I would totally watch a show called The Gay Adventures. That just sounds awesome. Lambert? Loser? The dude just keeps going. I don't even understand how this works. Like, what? If he selects the right letter, he just gets to keep going? The man... Or, I guess the... No, not the tan. Well, it would probably be the man, right? Because I'm still up. Lance... Oh, this sounds familiar now. That dude just keeps going. I don't even need to play now. I'm gonna go with V. Spin the wheel. Oh shit, wrong keyboard. I was starting typing on my computer keyboard. Yeah, okay. Liberty Valance. But I don't know the rest of it. I'm gonna try B. Uh, 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 fuck, no, I was thinking, how fast do you have to be, dude? Oh, fuck you. Oh, nice. Fuck. I have a real chance to turn this shit around now. Aw. Oh, fuck. The something something Liberty Valance. The... Shit? The man who shot Liberty Valance. God damn it. I knew it. I mean, I didn't. Otherwise, I would have guessed it, but... $15,000. Fucking Connie. Your poo-poo shaped head. Oh, brother. So what happens now? Is it the bonus round? The disk drive... Turn the disk drive on and off again. Press the key to try to load again. Uh-oh. I think it's just because I fucking shook the table. Oh. Oh, that's not good. Well, folks, guess we'll never find out who won this round. It really could be anybody. My money's on Dead Dino. I think that, I had a great chance of winning this one. But, we'll never know, unfortunately. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you around.